Hey guys, good morning. My name is Abhijit, and by profession, I am a data scientist. So, this is the first lecture I have started in my channel. So, I have given my Facebook link and as well as LinkedIn link. And about myself, I have total 13 years plus experience, and as a data scientist, I have 8 years plus experience. I worked in several MNCs in IT, in manufacturing industry, in product-based organization. So based on my experience, I have started this training. So initially, I'm focusing on beginners level, but slowly I'll move to machine learning, deep learning, NLP, core NLP, AWS, artificial intelligence. So just start with beginning. I have few important tips those who want to start their career in data science. Number one, take up a course and complete with additional project. So there have lot of courses online and offline. Offline are little expensive because they will end of the offline courses they'll give you certification, but in my opinion if you have good knowledge certification it's not necessary. So take up the course wherever you are comfortable, either online and offline. So online example I have seen good one is Udemy. It's they used to give lot of discounts, so whenever you'll get some good discounts, you can choose your course and do it. Second thing, choose a tool or language and stick to it. Now, in data science, there have couple of languages, SAS, R, Python, Java. But R and Python, that is the most popular. SAS, anyhow, it's not a open source. So development wise and library wise, will not get good exposure, or rather than they said, good experimental stuff in SAS. And R will be little not R, sorry, Java. Java will be little complicated, but Python is the most easiest language to learn, and in Python there are a lot of capabilities, lot of functionalities we can use. And from the statistical point of view and graphical point of view are also it's pretty good statistical tool. So these two language you can learn it very easily. Join peer group. So join peer group in the sense, if you have peer group in office, it's good, just sit with them, uh, check with them, understand what kind of data science project they are dealing with. Take some mentorship program if it is possible. Then you will, with that, definitely you can get good amount of experience. Focus on practical application and not just theory. So as an example, definitely while you take any courses, you will learn lot of theories, and with that theory try to implement in your R or Python code, whichever you all feel comfortable. So in the long run, definitely you can become a good programmer. Follow the right resource. So follow the in now these days in this world there are lot of resource available in Google and other platform. So choose your resource properly, bookmark all those required stuff what you need to follow, plan your day, plan your month, at least plan your 2 3 months reading stuff and start reading it and follow those steps properly. Next is work on your communication skill. So where I'm saying in work on your communication skill, it's nothing, it's not like you have mother tongue influence. No, not important. So important is whatever you are looking into the data, whatever you are understanding, how you are communicating with your management or with your customer. So that is more important. So from that perspective, you have to increase your communication skill. Network, but don't waste too much time on it. Yes, this is one more important step, especially those who are going to start their career in data science. Because if you have good network, so definitely at the end of the day, you will be able to learn all those stuff. What are the real time challenges as a data scientist are getting at the current situation? What are the tips, important tips they can give it to you? So that is also most important. And finally, like if somebody is looking for a career startup in data science, so those who are in these fields definitely they can provide you more guidance into that. And last but not the least, try to participate in Kaggle. So just go to the Kaggle website, pick up some simple project and try to do once you have at least intermediate level of knowledge. So with that you'll get practical exposure, those things how it will work in real scenario. And not only that, there will be have lot of group discussion. So again, that can increase your ability. Now I'll move it to next tips. Things to know. So initially might be you C, R, then Python. So whichever tools you want to keep it in first, it's absolutely fine. Both is fine. In R, there are some advantages, disadvantages. Similarly, in Python, vice versa. So pick any tool, learn it R or Python. Next is Excel. So if you know the Excel, there are all those basic stuff. Definitely, you can complete very easily. As an example, basic analysis, mean, median, mode, put some graphical stuff. Even though if you are beginner, if you don't have much knowledge, to put it in like as an example scatter plot or bar plot. Okay, so might be those things easily you can do it in Excel. Next thing is SQL. Yes, it's not that you should know, but it's good to have that skill, because if you know SQL, few lot of data exploration stuff you can do it in the database itself. Tableau. Tableau is for use for the visualization purpose. So again, if you have Tableau knowledge, it's good to have, not mandatory. So if you have Tableau knowledge, that will create an added advantage on your skill set. While you are presenting, if you make it in Tableau dashboard and present it, so you can show it as a online Tableau dashboard, that is very much effective in your project perspective. Next is ETL. ETL, what is this ETL? Extraction transformation loading. So it's a tool from, like, you'll gather the data, you'll do the transformation and you will reload into some database table. So there are a lot of ETL tools. Okay, as an example, one is Alteryx, which is the easiest way to learn. But again, it's not mandatory. But if you have the ETL knowledge, it's good to have. You can fetch your data from any point of sources. Next is AWS. So AWS, yes, this is the hot cake now these days. So there are a lot of things are coming in AWS. As an example, S3 bucket, Lambda, model endpoint, all those things. So I'll create definitely lot of videos on AWS as well. So this is my first video. So just want to give you guys the introductions part, and slowly I'll start with all the different data science topic which will cover in SQL and as well as Python, and I'll start from scratch. And every lecture I'll not keep more than 10 minutes. So it will be easy for everyone to go through that, and I'll not keep it as long. I'll try to make it short, and I have given my mail ID to my YouTube channel. So whenever you guys want to get some additional information, please feel free to mail me. Definitely, I'll help you out. And last but not the least, request you to guys, please like it, my topic if you feel it's good, and try to subscribe my channel, and as well as uh, click on the bell button, so in next week whenever I'll update new video, you'll get the notification at the very beginning. Thank you, have a nice day ahead.